So here we are with another Lucid Motors stock update video, guys. Okay, for this video, we're using Yahoo Finance. I was having some problems using TradingView, which is usually my preferred advanced stock charting software, guys. So in this video, we're going to talk about the highly anticipated Lucid Motor deliveries, guys. I'm going to leak to you guys some insider news, possibly that's responsible for the reason why Tesla and Hertz announced that Hertz would be ordering 100,000 EVs from Tesla, which helped push Tesla stock over the $1 trillion market cap, guys. So did Elon Musk, Tesla try to time this announcement right when the Lucid Air was going to be officially starting its deliveries? Is Tesla threatened by Lucid Motors, guys? We're going to talk about all of these things. We're going to talk about deliveries coming up and where I think this stock is heading in the short and the long term, along with my long-term price prediction as well. Before I get into the video, guys, I will remind you, guys, please check out and grab your 2 free stocks over at Webull, guys. All you have to do is open your Webull brokerage account, get your first free stock, direct deposit any amount, and get another second free stock. It's my favorite alternative to Robinhood. You have basically free trades. You can own fractional shares. You can even buy or sell Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu. So if you guys over there using Robinhood, you can't buy Shiba Inu, you can actually buy it over on Webull. And it's got much better real-time market data, level 2 quotes, etc., guys. So let's get right into it. So the news of the day was obviously Tesla, okay, guys. You know how bullish I was on Tesla, especially back right at the beginning of the pandemic, okay, guys. I think I first made my first Tesla video when it was about $500 pre-split, which would probably be about $2,500. Okay, so now Tesla is about $5,000 split adjusted. Okay, so I first started talking about Tesla stock. I thought it was a great investment, and that stock really ran. Okay, guys, Tesla has obviously basically 10x'd. Okay, since I first talked about it back in March of 2020, and back then I was talking about how we're going to see a huge shift in the electrical vehicle space, how you have basically all of these old legacy ICE vehicles, another way to put it would be gas guzzlers, have to be replaced, just like we had all of these legacy old school phones, these analog cell phones, and now everyone has a smartphone, right? So same thing. So Tesla came out and announced that they Hertz had bought 100,000 electric vehicles, and that really sent Tesla through the moon. Okay, they had a $1 trillion market cap. Elon Musk increased his gap between himself and Jeff Bezos by almost $100 billion. So Elon Musk is like the richest guy in the world by a ton of money now, okay? He's clearly at the top. He owns a huge percentage of Tesla stock. And this is simply because he was an early innovator, seeing the problem, all of these gas guzzlers, destroying the environment, increasing carbon emissions, and just making cities smelly and stinky. You've got countries all over the world like India, China, even parts of the United States where these cars are literally contributing to 80% of the pollution. So if we can get rid of gas guzzlers, we can make the air much cleaner, and that's going to not only improve the environment, but it's also going to extend human life, okay? We've got millions of people that are basically passing away prematurely due to pollution, guys. So Elon Musk, that's the reason why he's the richest guy in the world. He identified the problem. He was an early innovator, and he was producing. So congrats to Tesla, guys. If you guys have been holding Tesla all of this time, congrats, guys. Like I said, Tesla is still a phenomenal company. Not perfect, but it's solving the problem. So now let's talk about Lucid Motors. So Lucid Motors actually had a big run as well. It was up 11%. Okay, so Tesla stock was up like 11 or 12%. Lucid Motors moved up the same pace. And the reason why is I have some leaked exclusive news for you guys. It looks like deliveries are right around the doorstep, right around the corner. And when I'm talking about around the corner, I'm literally talking about within a few days. So guys, here is this guy, his name is Soar Merritt, okay? He's also a Tesla investor, but he's kind of like a reporter in the EV space. You can follow him on Twitter. And he posted a tweet, okay, yesterday saying, breaking, I've been told by a few sources that Lucid will be delivering its very first Lucid Air Dream Edition cars at an October 30th delivery event at the Lucid HQ. A select few reservation holders have received their VINs and have been contacted. The official invitation is below. So this is some leaked information that you would only know if you actually pre-ordered a vehicle, okay? So there's only about 500 20 Dream Editions that are actually going to be delivered. So it's a limited launch, okay? This isn't like a vehicle they're going to produce a ton of. And I want to give you guys a little bit more details, but this is huge news, okay? Sawyer Merritt has a lot of followers on Twitter. If he tweets something, whether it's about Lucid Motors, Tesla, or anything in EV space, it's usually pretty accurate. So when I saw this, I immediately wanted to make a video kind of inform you guys what's going on. And then I want to talk a little bit more about some of the tweets that Lucid actually produced. They posted a tweet on their Twitter account on the 24th showing that they really didn't say anything. They just simply said dream ahead, and they have a picture of basically 6 cars on a delivery truck. So this looks like this is finally the beginning, okay? We've been waiting for this so long. Finally, after literally 10 years of designing this car, perfecting it, of YouTubers, you know, test driving it, guys like Marquez Brownlee's, actually the person that I first learned about the Lucid Air and the vehicle like 3 years ago, watching his YouTube channel. Finally, it's all coming together. You know, we've been waiting so long for this stock. This SPAT, when it was CCIV, was so hyped, ran all the way to $65, came all the way back down. A lot of people lost money, and for a lot of people that really believe in this vehicle, we're coming for those people. So you know, the Lucid Army, if you want to call it, we're coming for the bag holders that were holding at around $50, $65. We're coming for you, but we need deliveries to get to 65, to move to 100, 200, and so on. So to give you guys a quick rundown of what is actually the Dream Edition is, okay, it's a 1,080 horsepower and a 520-mile range with an asking price around $170,000. Okay, guys, this is the longest range EV on the market. Okay, and like I said, once this car starts hitting the streets, the word of mouth is going to be absolutely insane. Okay, it's the best technology on the entire EV space, even better than the Tesla Model S. And you guys can check out some of my previous Lucid videos where I compare the Model S and the Lucid Air Dream Edition. Okay, so Tesla is obviously a wonderful company. They've done a lot of great things for the space. They've helped innovate and things like that. But you know, apples to apples comparison, the Lucid Air Dream Edition is just a better car with better technology than Tesla Model S. Period. So now that we know this, it's all about basically institutions buying in, more and more people realizing the power of this vehicle, and then basically we're just waiting. So to give you guys a reason why, if we take a look here at Fintel, okay, Fintel is basically tracking institutional ownership. Tesla has over 3,200 institutional owners with around 3,000 institutional longs. So like I said, retail has become a big part of the market recently thanks to apps like Robinhood and Webull, but institutional investors are still going to move markets like crazy, okay? So Tesla has over 3,000 institutional longs. These are institutions like BlackRock, Vanguard, okay, State Street. These are big institutional investors with big pockets, and they're betting on Tesla. So over 3,000 longs. When we take a look at Lucid Motors, okay, Lucid Motors only has 226 long institutional investors. So the gap there is huge. So that means that's a good sign, because there are some people that are institutional investors that are long, but it means that we have a long way to go, okay? We have a long way to go until more and more institutional money pours into Lucid Motors, and that's definitely going to help the stock price spike much higher, because right now Tesla's sitting at like a $1 trillion market cap. Lucid Motors is sitting at like a $43 billion market cap. So literally it's Lucid Motors is like 4% of the market cap in comparison to Tesla. So there's a long way to go, but I don't see a reason why, if Lucid Motors has a better vehicle, better technology, longer range, better look, better feel, everything to it, you know, it just seems like Tesla is trying to become the next Toyota and Lucid is trying to become the next Ferrari or the next Lamborghini. So I just think it's a matter of time until Lucid closes that gap. And like I said, Lucid is benefiting from Tesla's publicity. The more publicity we can get to EVs in general, the better it's going to be for all EV stocks, the entire industry. And that's why we saw a lot of these stocks ripping. So guys, like I said, $26, we should see a big spike in volume, a big spike in price leading up to October 30th, which is the leaked date according to Sawyer Merritt, guys. So I'm going to post all of these links in the description below. You guys want to check this out yourself. If you guys want more information on deliveries and stuff like that, be sure to follow Sawyer Merritt on Twitter. He has a lot of followers and he's really deep into the space. He's a Tesla bull as well, but he talks a lot about Lucid Motors as well. And guys, be sure to check out my Twitter as well. Okay, you guys can subscribe to my Twitter to get updates when I have things to talk about. Like I said, just head over to my Twitter, guys. Make sure you subscribe, and also smash the red subscribe button on this video as well to receive more updates. I'll be updating you guys more so as we lead up to October 30th. So like that's it right now, guys. In terms of price prediction, okay, really we're just looking at the long-term resistance. Has been around like $30, so we really need to break $30, and then of course a lot of those bag holders at $65. We need to come for them. But as long as Tesla's moving, as long as the EV space is moving, we're gonna see things change. And once those deliveries hit the road, once people start getting in their car, getting on social media, on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, talking about their vehicles, you're going to have more and more people look at this car and be like, wow, I want a super luxurious EV. I just don't want kind of a bare bones EV. Not that Tesla's a bare bones EV, but just the Lucid Motors car is basically built for extreme luxury, while the Tesla is basically built for mass production and things like that. So it'll be interesting to see what happens. But I think buying in, this is not financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor, but I think buying in under $30 is an extraordinarily fair price for a company that could easily hit maybe at least a $500 billion market cap over the next couple of years. Okay, I'm not saying they're going to hit $1 trillion overnight, but in order for Lucid to hit like $1 trillion, it would basically have to like 20x, okay, 20 to 25x from these levels. So that would put the stock price, if it 20x, at $500 a share. So if you're able to get it like $30 a share and it goes to 500, that's phenomenal. And I also mentioned that I think Lucid is one of the best retirement plans out there for you guys that missed Tesla. You can still buy Tesla, but at $1 trillion market cap, I mean, it's going to have to really move much faster to keep up those compounding gains. Lucid, the team is excellent, the product's excellent, everything's going well, and they don't have a lot of the negative publicity that Tesla has. Tesla has been absolutely vilified in the news, so this company seems a lot more cleaner, just focused on producing cars, not a lot of the other nonsense that's going on with Tesla. So I think this is also a great stock to hold in your retirement account. I have a pretty big exposure in my growth portfolio, so all signs are go for Lucid Motors, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Gonna wrap things up now. If you guys enjoyed my content, please smash the red subscribe button, hit this, and smash the like button as well. It's good for the YouTube algorithm. And let me know what you guys think in the comments. Do you really think we're finally going to see those deliveries? Do you think this is all hype? I'd be interested to know what you guys think. So that's it, until next time, guys. Take care.